Hey everybody, it's 11 a.m. and 35 seconds on February 8th. I just forgot to write in. This is the main for hook 180 and 181. Alright, over here are the 40 filled spots. Got this whole thing filled and about to run in less than 2 hours. I think that's pretty good. So there are the 40 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 9. I'm going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list will get both books. I'm going to get them out in today's mail. That is my plan, okay? So best of luck to everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here comes the final one. 9, spot 7, Ed Piler. Congratulations. Time is 11:01 and 30